Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video for Skyrim. In this video, I will be explaining to you guys how you can travel fast in Skyrim, so let's get right into it. And just a side note, this doesn't only include fast travel, however, it does include it. So let's get right into the methods of faster travel. And first of all, of course, you have your classic Bethesda RPG fast travel, or your classic RPG fast travel option, and this is the option that you unlock by actually discovering a location. As you can see, this person in this example discovered pretty much everything. But yeah, after you discover a location, you will be able to click on its icon on the map, and you will be given this prompt, which allows you to fast travel to it if you're not near any enemies or not in combat. If you are, you won't be able to, or if you're indoors, you also won't be able to. However, yeah, this is pretty much how you fast travel in Skyrim. Just click yes, and you'll be taken to the place in question. However, a certain amount of in-game time will pass. I don't know how it's determined. I think it's just the average time that it takes for somebody to make it there on their own by foot. Another way is to actually use the bend will shout to bend the will of a dragon and ride the dragon. The dragon will fly, and you can fly on it. However, you cannot steer it completely. You can order it to target enemies. However, if you do use a dragon and fast travel while you're on it, you will be able to fast travel without any game time actually passing. So that is quite a fast method of travel if you don't want any game time to pass. And the third and final way that I know of is to either use, well, there is a way to exploit whirlwind sprint the shout. However, I don't know how to do it. And the third one is to use carriages. They're at the stables of each major city. I don't know the complete list, but Whiterun, Morthal, or Markarth, Solitude, they all count. You'll find this guy. You can pay him to take you to any major city, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.